school graduation, last family vacation, trip to Michigan last year. My yearbook from 7th grade, I tore out every page with me and threw it all away. I know there were more good times than bad, but it's easy to forget when I start looking back. So I